Hello Yatris, I'm Nancy. Today we will deploy our website using Apache web server. We will configure the Apache web server and then deploy it into a server. Here we are using Apache web server like in a Azure virtual machine, and the operating system is Linux Ubuntu. So let's get started. First of all, we are using the same code from our Nginx website deployment. So first of all, we have to do ssh-i, then pem file, then whatever username you have chosen, then @ and public IP of our virtual machine. So this is the public IP. Hit and enter. Yeah. So now do the ls, and you can see this is our website code. So let's check it out. What is inside this folder? Apache. Sorry, Apache one. So inside this directory, we have index.html file, then main.js, then style.css, and one readme file also. So first of all, we have to update this virtual machine. So sudo apt get update and update this one. Okay, it's updated. Now we have to install the Apache server. So check Apache is already installed or not. Apache hyphen version. Okay, sorry, Apache 2. Okay, currently we don't have any Apache version, Apache or Apache 2. So we have to install it. Sudo apt install Apache 2 hyphen y. See, it is installing Apache 2. Okay, it is almost there. Okay, yeah. So now we have to check whether it is installed or not. So type this command sudo, sorry, Apache 2 hyphen version. So yeah, you can see here clearly Apache version is here. So clear this window. Now ls. Now we have to move this code to our where www directory. So mb apache, this one in which folder, where www and then slash. It will require privilege like you have to use the sudo command here. Okay, so ls, yeah, it's done. So change directory where www and just check here. Okay, so our code is transferred here. It is moved from this home directory Yatri to this where www directory. So you need a super user to transfer this directory from the home directory to this directory. Now what we have to do, Apache is installed, and then we have transferred our code to the main directory. We have to configure the Apache default file, like same in like we have done in Nginx configuration. So use this command sudo nano, then etc, then it is Apache. So type Apache, then sites availables. Okay, sites availables, and then 000 default.conf. Okay, so it is open now. So this is the default website. So just close it first of all, control sx. Okay, now we have to check whether our Apache is installed in default web page. We are able to see that web page or not. So paste this public IP. So this is the Apache default web page. Now what we have to do is we have to configure it to our website, right? We want our website here, not this default web page. So configure this configuration file sudo nano, then this path, and hit an enter. Now we have to change this root path, document root, where www and then html. So our code is not in html, our code is where in apache dot yatricloud.com, in this folder, in this directory, right? So we have to change this, then control sx. Okay, now we have to reload this apache. So sudo systemctl reload apache 2. Okay, so my typo is again here, reload spelling. Okay, so yeah, it's done. Now we have to check the status of apache. So just remove this reload word and just add this word status. Okay, so it is currently active and running. So let's check it out. So now refresh this page. Okay, ta-da, it's here. Okay, so this is my website which is live. I hit and enter Nancy, and hello Nancy, thank you so much. If you like this video, then subscribe to the Yatri Cloud and join our community. Bye bye.